Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to clean Zack Telander. Begin by unplugging the unit and removing loose debris with a soft brush. Use a mild detergent diluted in warm water for general surfaces and a cotton swab dampened with isopropyl alcohol for contacts. Rinse cloths well and avoid soaking any electronic parts. Finish by air drying on a towel and reassembling only when completely dry to prevent corrosion or shorts. Gather your tools before you start to keep the process smooth and efficient. A soft brush and microfiber cloths remove dust without scratching, while cotton swabs reach tight crevices. Mild detergent diluted in warm water cleans most surfaces, and 70% isopropyl alcohol handles contacts and stubborn grime safely. Keep liquids minimal and use a small vacuum on low to lift debris. Work in a well-lit area so you can spot residue and damage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical cleaning tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading manuals or cozying up after a cleaning session, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that lets you read anywhere. I personally enjoy a chapter while tools dry. It's a small treat. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with power off and unplugged, then remove any detachable parts for separate cleaning. Gently brush loose debris, wipe surfaces with a lightly damp microfiber cloth, and use cotton swabs with alcohol for tight areas or contacts. Vacuum on low can pull out trapped dust. Rinse removable non-electronic parts, dry with a towel, and let everything air dry fully. Reassemble only when dry and test function calmly to ensure everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.